Have you ever been surprised by a sudden hiccup while eating dinner or giggling with friends? Hiccups are such mysterious little interruptions. Let's embark on a journey to explore what makes these funny, hiccupy sounds. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, which is a muscle just below your lungs, starts to spasm or contract suddenly without your control. The diaphragm's job is to help pull air into the lungs as part of breathing, but sometimes it can get startled and contract more sharply than usual. This quick contraction pushes air into your lungs in a rush, and then, oh dear, the space between your vocal cords closes abruptly, creating that familiar hic sound. Imagine trying to take a big breath while clapping your hands together quickly. That's a bit how your body feels during a hiccup. The quick closure after fast air movement causes the sound we all recognize. But why does your diaphragm suddenly jump into action like this? Well, there are many triggers for hiccups. Some common ones include eating too quickly, gulping fizzy drinks, getting too excited, or even having a big belly laugh. Eating too fast or drinking carbonated beverages can irritate your stomach and send signals to your diaphragm to spasm. Sometimes, even changes in temperature can surprise your diaphragm. Think of it as if someone touched you with an ice cube when you weren't expecting it. Interestingly, most hiccups are harmless and don't last very long. However, some people might experience them for a longer period or get them frequently, which might need a doctor's advice. Hiccups have fascinated people for a long time. Scientists have studied them to understand how the body controls breathing and hiccups. Even though hiccups can be puzzling, they are a reminder of the fun and quirky ways our bodies behave. So next time you hiccup, you know that it's just your body's funny way of moving air with a quick, playful hic. Maybe give it a little laugh back and see how swiftly it goes away.